We're going to get started with a quick warm-up, so just follow along. Let's start with marching, bring the arms back and forth. Bring the arms up overhead. Bring the elbow back 5 times. And then switch to the other side. And just bring the leg forward and back 3 times on each side. Back to walking and stretching the arms out in front. Let's just stretch from side to side. And going back into a walk. So you have a few options here. If you're at a beginner level and you haven't done a lot of strength training, I'd recommend just doing the exercise for 20 seconds and then taking a break for 40 seconds. Otherwise, if you want to do a little bit more, you can go up to 30 seconds of the exercise or maybe even 40 and follow along with me and then take a 20-second break. So cater the amount of time to your fitness level. Our first exercise is a squat with a leg lift to the side. And again, for the squat, you can choose the depth of the squat for what feels good for you. "20 seconds is up. Finishing here at 40 seconds. Our next exercise is the back row. So choose a weight that feels challenging, but that you can manage for the full 20, 30, or 40 seconds, whichever one you choose. So knees are bent with a flat back. Seconds. And 40. Moving into the reverse lunges and bicep curl. If you're new to doing lunges, just do it without weights. So for this one, make sure you go at the pace that feels right for you. Seconds. And 40. So moving into working the chest. If you only have lighter weights, you can use both dumbbells at the same time. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit more and use a heavier weight, then I'd recommend lifting one arm at a time. So only lifting to about shoulder height. Knees are bent and core is engaged.
And
40. Going into a plie squat and an Arnold press, which is a bicep curl into an overhead press.
Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I don't know what can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon.
And 40. Switching to the tricep kickbacks. So knees are bent and flex the back of the arms as the weights go back.
이제부터가 시작이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up and enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게.
20 seconds. And 40. So moving on to an abdominal exercise. So having the arms up and then bringing the hands down to a raised knee. If you want an easier version, you can have the hands behind the head and then just bring one knee up as you crunch towards that knee. Be sure to engage the abs as the knee is coming up.
Oh, baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time. 어디든지 가줄게. Yeah, I don't know what can't stop. 이루어질 거야. I'll take you to the moon.
The next exercise, we're going to go into a squat and then reach up as you do a calf raise. If you want to make it a little bit easier, just do a very shallow squat. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can add in a hop as you reach up. Be mindful that this is a very tough exercise, so take it easy for your first time. Seconds. So moving into a bicep curl into a tricep kickback. So just make sure that you focus on the triceps as you press the weights back. We're also working on balance within this move, so 30 seconds on one leg and then switching to the other side. We're doing this exercise for a full minute. moving into our last exercise. Weights are optional here. Main thing is to keep your knees slightly bent and keep that core engaged. And stopping there. So you have some options here. If you have a lot of experience with strength training and you want to do a second set, you can go back to the beginning of the video, skip the warm-up, and just go right into the strength workouts to get in a second set. Otherwise, we're going to move into our stretching. So pressing a heel back to stretch out the leg and pressing the hands forward to stretch out the back. Moving into the other side and bring the hands behind to stretch out the chest and the arms. Going into a quad stretch. If you want to work on balance, bring an arm up. Try to keep the knees close together. Switch to the other side. And coming down to stretch out the inner thighs. Switch to the other side. And come out of that stretch, and you are all done.